What do I love about Chile? The place is so long that up here in the driest place in the world you find the desert, and down extremely south you find Patagonia. And in each place all along the country you're gonna find different areas, different kind of people, different food, different scenery, different weather.
You wear me down. My actions will be forgiven. When we first met, a simple text.
If you want to go away to the capitals, if you want to go away from the big cities, if you want to start remembering how does the black sky looks at night, if you want to remember how does it sounds, the noise of the silence, if you want to see something unique, if you want to go back to the origins, come down here. Chichi Chile Lele. Viva Chile.